Hey guys, this is the Diamond Team, and today I'm doing a video. It's not in collaboration, but it's based on someone else's series. Well, not series, YouTube channel. It's called What's Inside. It's where they open up stuff, and now I'm going to start doing it. Starting off with this broken nerf gun. It took me forever to unscrew all of it, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Oh, wait. Seriously? Okay, guys. I have the perfect tool for this. First, I pop off this. Did I even unscrew this part? No, I didn't. Okay, guys, so... this. Okay, good. Dang it. What? Okay, so here's the handle. I'm gonna turn this around. It's a thing. It's metal. It's metal when it pops off. See? I'm gonna open this even more now. I'm gonna open this handle now. Well, great. So, guys, I forgot to unscrew some parts. Yay! I'm literally like the worst person ever. I'm just unscrewing this part. Since this is broken, I don't really need to use it again. So I could just unscrew and be fine with it. Sorry, guys. I'm literally like the worst person on YouTube. Okay. First of all, I'm going to pop off the handle, which is attached to everything. Seriously? I keep forgetting to unscrew things. Wow. There. Now I can take it open. Something just blasted on the ground. I'm not sure if this is needed for anything anymore. Jeez. Oh! I'm sorry you didn't see that, but this giant spring just shot something. Great, I'm gonna open it even more. I've never opened one of these before. And it had a giant spring. Now I can use that for another project. Yay. I'm going to take out another mainframe. This is why I found what was jammed. Damn. So many mini things. Next time I'm gonna need gloves. There's something sticking, slimy in here. Pop out the mainframes. By the way, I have a new YouTube channel coming out. It's called Diamond Team Cooks. We're gonna have cooking for you guys now. Sorry you can't see up close, but oh, this is not letting it go through. That's why we're taking it apart. This is a perfect prank to pull on everyone. If they have a Nerf gun, just give them this for Christmas. Give them an open Nerf gun, but put all the pieces back where they were. So it looks like a regular Nerf gun. When there's nothing inside. There. This is one way to ruin someone's day. What the heck was that? Two things just popped out and a mini spring. Now we need another. Okay. Next, we're going to start with this. There. Took out another spring. This might be a bullet. Next, we're going to open up an automatic one. That will take a while. Okay, guys, we're both done. This really sucks opening it because I tried to open it to find out what broke about it, and now it just broke open the whole gun. For you guys' entertainment, don't do this. If you want to, do it for adults. Otherwise, they'll have this shooting at you. I'm not kidding. Ow. I literally tried to take apart one thing, and all it did was shoot across there. It's one way if you want big springs. Where's the screwdriver? It's right here. Dang it. If you want to do this, do it with parent supervision. But don't do it alone like me. Because this can potentially be dangerous. I'm going to wash my hands after this. I have no saws, so if you guys say in the comment section, use a freaking saw. Well, I don't really have one. Last piece to unscrew. It's a screw and a nut. I'm doing this for entertainment purposes. Just put this together and put us a Christmas present. Yeah, just actually don't do that. The people who you love and you give this to, they'll be pissed off. No. Oh, I'm at 10%. Okay. Okay. I'll see you guys later. I have to go. Next, we'll be opening up something else. And I have no idea what we'll be opening up. But if you want to, leave us stuff in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Let's have this. Bye. Nerf God, what's inside? The end.